My workstation just keeps piling up and getting messier every time. Look at this! I've had a couple of crazy days, crazy nights. It's just been really, really intense at home and a lot of emotions. I won't get into what's been happening, but it's been intense. And I got home and I just had this crazy burst of energy where I wanted to express a lot, and I didn't really know what I wanted to express exactly. I just knew that I wanted to paint. So this painting was completely unplanned. You could see I was turning the canvas around just to kind of figure out what I was doing, and really just was in sort of a trance state, figuring out. It's really weird. It's hard to explain if you don't paint or don't create frequently, but I was just expressing myself and using the shapes to guide my hand, and the colors sort of just came out of a feeling that I've been feeling. So it's not that I planned ahead of time, but I did feel quite dark, quite black. I didn't really want to use a lot of color. It hasn't been colorful these days. I've also been missing Iceland and missing my home. It's been quite a while since I've been back. Usually in the past I would at least go back once a year. That would be the plan, and now it's been, I don't know, it's almost 3 years now, so 2.5 years, and I miss it over there. My best friend also just had a child and I missed out on that, which makes me so sad. So I think this piece, and also I've actually made a couple of other paintings that you'll see in the videos to come, but I've been in a mood where I've been thinking a lot about Iceland, so I do think these paintings express Iceland through memory. So I'm in a way painting the black beach, which is what I realized halfway through. I was like, oh, this kind of looks like Icelandic, the black beach, which I have a lot of memories from. And it's super, super beautiful, really dramatic, and does express how I've been feeling. And to me, Icelandic nature has always been, to me, it always felt really alive. And that's why the way I painted the cliffs, well, it turned out into cliffs, I didn't know it was going to become cliffs, is that it has its own, it has life, and it has a gape. And that's, to me, how I experience nature at home. And also this female body, I guess it kind of reminds me of how we're all connected to nature, and that's how I feel when I think about Iceland. This video was done vertically by accident, so it's a little bit flimsy, just ignore that. I need to make a better video setup. I will try to do that as soon as I can. If you want to help support me in making these videos, you can check out my Patreon account. It really does make a difference, and I do try to do my best to give behind the scenes updates, and I do a monthly video update for my gold tier, and you guys will on Patreon get early access to all of my videos. It just really helps me out, so check that out, and of course subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I really love you guys so much, and I really appreciate you for watching. I have a lot of really cool paintings coming up that you guys will be able to see the process of super soon, so stay tuned. And yeah, until next time, guys, ciao.